subcategory. Then I say sales to be there, and I say let it be this to be sub-filtered based on segment. So now if you show for this highlighted tables or even the heat map table, so you'll get this information. So if you want, you can swap it based on your need. So you can see the highlight value, highest value is going in the dark blue and lower value is in a whitish, or if you can say light sky blue. You can change this permutation if needed. Shaded colors are there. You say it's not good for me. I want green gold. You can go for green gold. So higher value will be a green, lower value will be in a gold, only a yellowish format. So that's a normal highlight table. Or heat map table, you can say.